No red rose in all my garden. No red rose in all my garden. She said that she would dance with me if I brought her red roses. But in all my garden there is no red rose. On what little things does happiness depend? I have read all the wise men have written, and all the secrets of philosophy are mine, and yet, for want of a red rose, is my life made wretched.
Here at last is a true lover. Night after night have I sung of him, though I knew him not. Night after night have I told his story to the stars, and now I see him. His lips are red as the rose of his desire, but passion has made his face like pale ivory, and sorrow has set her seal upon his brow.
The prince gives a ball tomorrow night, and my love will be of the company. If I bring her a red rose, she will dance with me till dawn. If I bring her a red rose, I shall hold her in my arms, and she will lean her head upon my shoulder, and her hand will be clasped in mine. But there is no red rose in my garden, so I shall sit lonely, and she will pass me by, and my heart will break.
Why is he weeping? Why?
Why? Why?
He is weeping for a red rose. For a red rose? How very ridiculous.
Here indeed is the true lover. What I sing of he suffers. What is joy to me, to him is pain. Surely love is a wonderful thing. For a red rose. Give me a red rose, and I will sing you my sweetest song.
My rose is as white as the foam of the sea. But go to my brother, and perhaps he will give you what you want.
Give me a red rose, and I will sing you my sweetest song.
My rose is a yellow as the hair of the mermaid, and yellower still than the daffodil that blooms in the meadow. But go to my brother, who grows beneath the student's window, and perhaps he will give you what you want.
Give me a red rose, and I will sing you my sweetest song.
My roses are red, but the winter has chilled my veins, and the frost has nipped my buds, the storm has broken my branches, and I shall have no roses at all this year.
One red rose is all I want. Only one red rose. Is there no way by which I can get it?
There is a way, but it is so terrible that I dare not tell it to you.
Tell it to me. I am not afraid.
If you want a red rose, you must build it out of music by moonlight and stain it with your own heart's blood. You must sing to me with your breast against a thorn. All night long you must sing to me, and the thorn must pierce your heart, and your lifeblood must flow into my veins and become mine.
Be happy, be happy. You shall have your red rose. I will build it out of music by moonlight and stain it with my own heart's blood. All that I ask of you in return is that you will be a true lover. Flame-colored are his wings, and colored like flame is his body. Love is mighty.
Little nightingale,
Sing me one last song. I shall feel very lonely when you are gone.
She has form. Has she got feeling? I'm afraid not. It must be admitted that she has some beautiful notes in her voice. What a pity it is they do not mean anything or do any practical good.
Press closer, little nightingale. Press closer. Press closer. Press closer, press closer. Press closer. Press closer, little nightingale. The day will come before the rose is finished. Press closer. Press closer, little nightingale, or the day will come before the rose is finished. Press closer, little nightingale. Look, look, little nightingale. The rose is finished now.
Why, what a wonderful piece of luck. Here is a red rose. I've never seen any rose like in all my life. It is so beautiful. You said that you would dance with me if I brought you a red rose. Here is the reddest rose in all the world. You will wear it tonight next to your heart. And as we dance together, it will tell you how I love you.
I'm afraid not. It will not go with my dress, and besides, the Chamberlain's nephew has sent me some real jewels, and everybody knows that jewels cost far more than flowers.
Well, upon my word, you are very ungrateful.
Ungrateful? I tell you what, you are very rude. And after all, who are you? Only a student.
What a silly thing love is. It's not half as useful as logic. It is always telling one of things that aren't going to happen, and making one believe things that are not true. In fact, it is quite unpractical. I shall go back to philosophy and study metaphysics.
Little nightingale. Little nightingale.